Hello! In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to check your courses. And this is the homepage of Aral Turo. So first, as a student, you need to log in to your account. So you have to put your username and of course your password. And you may click remember me and then logged in. So once you're logged in, you will see you will be directed to your profile. And here's your dashboard. This is where you can see your activity. Yeah, like that. So you can post any update if you want to. Notifications, for example, if there are changes with the courses or the teacher have to meet you. And if you have messages, yeah, you can also see it here. Or you can also compose a message. And here, just type if it's a teacher, then just type the teacher's username. And if you click more, you can see if you have friends, if somebody added you, or if there's meetings with the teacher online, and if you were added on a group, yeah, if it's either by a teacher or not. Yeah. And for you to check your course, the course that you purchased, then you just need to click courses. So as you can see, there's one there because this student account, which is a dummy account, it has, it has a course on it. So if you want to study the course, so just click the title, just like this one, Business English for Beginners. So there, you'll see it here. And just for you to access the first lesson, just click this button here, the plus icon, and you'll see the first lesson, how to start a conversation. So once you click details, so you need to hover your mouse here, so it will be highlighted in green. And then you have to click that, and the lesson will pop up. And there you'll see what the teacher put here, as so it can be instruction, yeah, just like this one. What I put here was, yeah, what you need to do. And this is the lesson. So it's highly interactive. So if you want, for example, if there's a podcast or an audio file, so you have to click this icon and then you listen to it and then you can answer the questions that follow. And next, these are the lessons. And of course, yeah, there will be quizzes, questions related to the lesson that you studied. So you have to answer it. So this one is fill in the blanks, but there are lots of formats, yeah, for questions, and it depends on the teacher. There. So once you're done, just click close and then or the X button and then proceed to the next lesson. So same thing, you have to hover your mouse, click details, it will highlight in green, then just wait for it. So the second lesson will pop up. All right. And then once you're finished, then just click this one, close. All right. And as you can see there, it indicates final assessment. So there's nothing on it. So it means that you have to meet the teacher once you're done with all your lessons. So there. And in case you have other questions, you can just send an email or a message to hello@aralturo.space. Thank you.